begin with, we're going to put some olive oil on the cobs of corn here. This corn is some peaches and cream corn I got, but this also works really well with sweet corn as well. So we'll just kind of rub that around, try to coat the whole cob. And we'll take and we'll put that on the grill. So we want to put these on the grill, medium-high heat. Got to keep an eye on them. We want to get each cob so they're about 25% charred. When they start to char up like that a little bit, you want to keep an eye on them because they can go dark pretty quick. So I think it to be about like that or a bit darker. I figure 20 to 25% charred. We'll turn them. The first time I had this salad, it was down in the Bahamas on the island of Eleuthera, a little tapas bar there. And I'm pretty sure that they served it with cilantro and lime, and it was really good. So it stuck with us. When we got back, we tried it and we loved it. Then we switched over to mint and we liked it even better. So I'm going to chop up some mint here, fairly fine. Now, the first time you try it, you might want to go easy on the mint, unless you really know that you like mint. You can always add more. It's hard to pick all the little pieces out, though, if you've got too much. The other thing we're going to need, the juice of at least one lime, maybe 1.5, depending on how juicy the lime is and what your tastes are. So we'll get them ready. Once you've taken the corn off the grill, you have to let it cool down a little bit so it's cool enough to handle. But you don't want to let it cool down too much because it starts to shrivel up and I think it loses some moisture. So as soon as you can handle it, you want to start slicing it off the cob. So I put a cup in the bowl upside down and just slice down like this. Most of the corn ends up in the bowl. There you have it. Grilled corn salad with mint and lime juice. Doesn't get any better than that, I'll tell you right now.